Robinson's Place, Antipolo. If my face looks familiar, you probably see me here every weekend. Nagpabasking ako dyan, at saka sa taas, sa kabilang atrium with my puppet, Nicolo. Right now, we are ready to start, but before we do, can we ask everybody to please clap your hands? Palakpakan muna. I see a lot of familiar faces. Thank you very much for coming and joining the celebration of World Puppetry Day. First things first, ano ba yung World Puppetry Day? Ang World Puppetry Day po ay pagdiriwang ng mga puppeteers from all over the world simultaneously, meaning while we are celebrating now, puppeteers from Germany, France, Belgium, you name it, meron din silang sariling pagdiriwang ng World Puppetry Day. It happens in the Philippines. We're celebrating it for 3 days, today, tomorrow, and on Saturday. Right now, kung ready na po kayo, marami kaming hinandang puppet shows para sa inyo, but most especially para sa mga bata. We'd like to kick this off with part of the Philippine culture, ang ating pinagmamalaki at pinagpipitaganang Gigantes from Amono and our friends from the Philippine Information Agency Puppet Theater. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat. Let's go! Antipolo Marching Band! Nakiusap po ako sa ating butihing Mayor Jerry May Calderon, the mayor of the municipality of Amono, dahil ang Gigantes po ay part ng ating kultura. The only, well, one of the very few puppetry arts of the Philippines, ang Amono Gigantes. And of course, pinakiusapan din natin our friends from the Antipolo Tourism Office, of course, si Mayor Julian Ares, para sa Antipolo Marching Band. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Hindi naman pwedeng may fiesta kung wala ang Antipolo Marching Band. Hindi kompleto ang fiesta sa Antipolo kung wala sila. Alright? Okay. By the way, before I forget, ang International Puppetry Fiesta po ay hatid sa atin ng mga kaibigan natin from Robinson's Malls, Unima, Pilipinas, Enchanted Kingdom, Las Palmas Tours and Travel, and of course, Help Pilipinas. Ang Help Pilipinas po ay hindi na ako magkikwento sa inyo. Tatawagin ko na po kung sino magkikwento sa inyo about Help Pilipinas, and to officially open the festival, I'd like to call on the Secretary General and National Program of Help Pilipinas, Mr. Mix Bernido. Palakpakan natin, Sir Mix.
Help, help! Medyo mahina po ata. Help, help! Hooray! Masaya po ba tayo ngayong hapong ito? Ayan, so, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. It is with great pleasure to welcome you all to this first ever International Puppetry Fiesta. Kasama po natin ng iba't ibang bansa na nandito ngayon, which is a 3-day vibrant celebration in honor of the World Puppetry Day being celebrated every March 21. This is to pay tribute to the artistry, creativity, and cultural significance of puppetry, which is a form of storytelling that has transcended time and borders, enchanting generation with its magic. We will not just showcase the Filipino talents, arts, and culture, as we also welcome our international puppeteer families from Hong Kong, Singapore, Indonesia, and Germany. Wala po ba tayong palakpakan dyan? Puppetry is not just an art, it's a bridge that connects us to our heritage, our imaginations, and each other. It reflects our shared humanity, bringing to life characters and narratives that spark joy, provoke thought, and inspire wonders. This event is a testament to the diverse traditions, innovative performances, and global impact of puppetry. So when you are thrilled to showcase the talents of artists from not just here from the Philippines, and of course around the world. Ang aming pong organization, Help Pilipinas, hindi po nagdalawang isip na humindi kay Sir Juan Lu, because we're also advocating for health, education, and livelihood programs. Because we believe that puppetry is one of the best tools that contributes to the mental health of each and every individual. It is also a great learning tool that catches the attention of the learners on a certain topic or story being portrayed. And of course, lastly, it is actually continuously giving livelihood to the artist na mapapanood niyo po later on. So let's give a big round of applause to all of them for such a great talent. And of course, allow us to give our sincerest appreciation to all of the organizers and staff led by Sir Juan Lu. Palakpakan po natin si Sir Juan Lu. And in cooperation with Robinson's Place for the very wonderful venue to this afternoon, Unima Pilipinas, Las Palmas Travel and Tours, and of course, Enchanted Kingdom. As we embark on this exciting journey, let us continue to celebrate the power of puppetry to unite, to teach, and to entertain. Thank you all for being a part of this extraordinary occasion, and I hope you enjoy the incredible performances and experiences that lies ahead. On behalf of Help Pilipinas and Juan Lu and his puppets, we will let the magic of puppetry begin as I declare International Puppetry Fiesta Philippines open. Good afternoon, everyone.
Alright, one more time, palakpakan po natin si Sir James from Help Pilipinas. Alam niyo po, may kwento ko lang real quick. Nung nilapitan ko po ang Help Pilipinas, hindi sila nagdalawang isip talaga. When I told them that puppetry will be, well, hindi lang mga Pinoy puppeteers, kundi puppeteers from all over the world will join, hindi sabi nila, okay, gawin natin yan para mapanood natin mga kababayan. Sabi ko, gawin natin sa Antipolo dahil nagsasawa na sila. Linggo-linggo ako lang nakikita nila nagpapuppet. Kaya ipakita natin yung iba natin mga kaibigan ng puppeteer. Ladies and gentlemen, we will call our guest puppeteers one at a time. Makikiusap po ako sa inyo na pag tinawag ko sila, iparamdam natin ang Filipino hospitality. Iparamdam natin sa kanila na sila ay welcome sa ating bayan, Antipolo City. Welcome sa bansa natin Pilipinas. Pwede po ba? Pag tinawag ko one at a time, let's give them a big hand and make sure they feel that they are welcome because they really are. Okay? We'd like to start with our friend from Hong Kong, China. After clearing the Shenzhen sorting station, he is finally here. Please clap your hands for Mr.
Kaya mga data ako'y sanahan nyo, nakita natin ang ating talento. Sa buong mundo ay isigaw ninyo, tayong mga Pinoy talentado. Nicolo, ang pangalan ko ay Nicolo, talentado, ang pagmukha ay si Piolo. Nicolo, ang pangalan ko ay Nicolo, talentado, walang masabi si Juan